message is transmitted at the request of the Toronto Police Department. A giant red panda has been spotted near the Lester B. Pearson Middle School. This red panda's origins are unknown but should not be approached under any circumstances. The Toronto Police Department request anyone near the Lester B. Pearson Middle School to move away from the school. The red panda is around 8 feet tall and is shown to fit in tight spaces. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this developing situation. Civil danger warning. This message is transmitted at the request of the Toronto Police Department. The red panda spotted earlier was terrorizing residents of the Toronto metropolitan area. The panda was last seen near the Lee family temple. At this time, we advise all residents to shelter in place until the situation is over. If you spot the panda, call the Toronto Police Department at 416-808-2222. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this developing situation. This message is transmitted at the request of the Toronto Police Department. A girl by the name Maylin Lee was taken from her family at the Lee family temple around 20 minutes ago. She has red hair, brown eyes, white skin, small glasses, and wears multiple hair products. She is around 4 feet 11 inches tall, and is around 120 pounds. The kidnapping is unknown if it's connected to the red panda, although if you spot the child, contact the Toronto Police Department. Don't try to rescue the child yourself. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Emergency alert. This message is transmitted at the request of the Toronto Police Department. During the investigation of the Lee family temple, the Toronto police found that the red panda's origins are originated from the Lee family temple, and is a tradition to their family. Unfortunately, we can stop the red panda. The panda will be gone May 25th. So we advise all residents to wait out until the 25th of May. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Civil danger alert. This message is transmitted at the request of the Toronto Emergency Services. A giant red panda has been spotted near the Sky Dome. The red panda is around 60 feet tall and is destroying the Sky Dome. We advise all residents or citizens attending the four-town concert to leave the scene immediately. The Toronto Emergency Services will try and stop the situation before it becomes too dangerous to do so. We advise all residents of Toronto, Ontario, Canada to evacuate the city. During this alert, all cable and radio stations shall transmit this message. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. All clear. This message is transmitted at the request of the Toronto Emergency Services. All clear. The 60-foot red panda was successfully transformed back into a normal human. The Sky Dome will be rebuilt and is going under construction now. The Toronto Emergency Services would like to thank all of you for following directions. Regular programming will resume.